Solar energy, a true gift from nature, is now emerging as an essential solution to the energy and environmental challenges we face. More and more people around the world are turning to solar energy to power their homes and businesses. This is the case for the TRAUGOTT MBO Farms, equipped with solar systems since their establishment in 2021. Located 15 kilometers from Kpalimé, they now operate entirely on solar energy thanks to Kia Energy Group.
Primarily here, we raise laying hens and we sell the products, which are eggs. And at the end of the sales cycle, we also cull the hens we sell to bring in younger layers.
The challenges were considerable. The energy supply, essential for the proper functioning of all the facilities, was a real headache. A sustainable and reliable solution had to be found. One that would not only offer energy autonomy, but also the stability necessary for the profitability of the operation.
The first challenge is having electricity. And there is a choice, which is to bring in electricity from the city. And since the land is set back, finding the last connection point in the village, pulling the wires across more than one person's fields. It's by considering the problem of pulling the power from the village to the site that we accidentally found a broadcast about solar energy with Kia Energy.
We approached Kia, expressed our needs, they came to see, and since then, step by step, we have this partnership.
This system now powers all the facilities necessary for the proper operation of the farm. This initiative allows the farm to operate 100% on solar energy.
The first element that needs to have energy is water management. So we needed to have a borehole. And the borehole to pump the water needs energy. Next, we need to grind the feed. We quickly acquired, right from the start, a grinder mixer that consumes a lot of energy.
Here it's the beast in action. This machine here, it grinds. When it grinds, it transfers over here. It mixes uniformly. And then we collect it in the bag. The grinder is 7.5 kilowatt by. This one is 3.5. And everything operates based on the energy that is available.
The lighting and the use of our computers for administration is something else as we produce eggs in quantity, and we do not mix the sizes. We have a grater that operates from electricity. We have acquired an automatic manure collector that runs on energy highly efficiently.
In terms of grading, we do not sort the eggs by their weight. So the largest is the heaviest mass. So the smallest is the lightest mass. It's the machine itself that weighs. Because there are weights, masses that differentiate their weights. We use the solar system to operate the machine.
In case of a breakdown or need for maintenance, the technical team of Kia Energy Group offers a responsive after-sales service with interventions available even during weekends, thus ensuring an impeccable continuity of services.
The after-sales service is really unexpected, beyond hope. Powering a farm and using machines, it's not common. What is worth noting here is that every time we have had issues, we call Kia, we call the technicians. The CEO tells us, I'm sending my team right away. And what I add is that even on weekends and even Sundays, they tell us, well, do this. In the meantime, the team will come by tomorrow.
If I remember correctly, for the first installation Kia gave us, lent us, a technician who stayed for 2 weeks. to train 1 or 2 employees that we have here, and specifically in the operation of the installation. And it helped a lot.
The example of the TRAUGOTT MBO Farms perfectly illustrates how adopting solar energy can transform energy challenges into opportunities for sustainable development.
It's a choice that for us was beneficial. Without that choice, we would have faced many difficulties. You really need support training. That's what Kia was able to offer us. That's why we are where we are today. We are happy to have made the choice, and we will continue to work with Kia so that the future of TRAUGOTT MBO Farms does not suffer from a lack of energy, especially solar energy,